Show yourself where hellfire and damnation be upon thy house.
See, we're up on it already.
Tell me about it.
You tell me you want your lawn trails made and all that.
They can't hear, but tell them one more time. Let's see. What did you have to say, Tom?
We just got done doing Tony K's parking lot.
Did you get paid?
Sure did.
How much?
$10 each.
That's pretty good. Who we got here?
This is Dave.
Oh, Dave. Okay, Guitar Dave.
Yeah, it sure is.
And then tell me what, you just made some trails for me here?
Yeah, I just made this trail.
Because you heard me complain about that, hey?
No, but didn't I think, don't you want your trail made from your front of your house to your office?
Oh, I sure
and
do.
your porch and all that?
Yes,
Because
sir.
I know the plowman don't do it.
Yeah, are you ready to do that? Or you want to take a
And the
break?
sidewalk? No, yeah, we're going to take a break, but we'll be down in a few.
You will.
Yeah.
If you come on
We
down there, I'm going to have a pack of smokes. Do you smoke, sir?
No, I don't.
I'm going to have a pack of smokes, and all I got is 3 beers. You guys can split them.
beers?
Plus money.
Okay, good. Sounds good to me.
We'll do
Mr.
it.
Green will be there.
We're